Hey friend, this is Rajiv and you are watching GeekyByte. Welcome back to another episode from this channel. In this video, we're gonna show you how you can embed a Google form into WordPress site. As you know that Google form is a very powerful tool if you want to create some form. So in this video, we're gonna show you how you can embed that Google form into WordPress site. So it's a request, please watch the video till the end. And if you like the video, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for all of our new videos. So let's go straight to the video. First of all, let me go to Google and search for Google Forms. Let me go to Google Form and sign in. Let me go to a blank form. And I'm going to create a simple contact us form. In fact, if you want, you can create a very professional looking form in Google Form. I'm going to make a separate video on that, so keep watching the space for the update. So here I'm just creating a simple contact us form. I'm going to add few fields like name, email ID and the phone number. So let me preview how the form looks like. It looks good. I know it's a basic form, so you cannot expect something very much different. So our form is ready. I'm going to click send and click on embed HTML and copy the code. So here you can change the width and height as per your website requirement. So I'm going to make it about 900 pixels for the height and then copy the code. Now let me go to my WordPress admin panel. And let's create a new page here. Give a name to the page. And here you click on text and paste the code. After that, publish the page. Now let's look at the page, how it looks like. So here you go, you can see the Google form embedded to your WordPress website, and this is how it looks. So guys, that's how you can embed a Google form into your WordPress site. Hope it gave you some help. If you feel that you like the video, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for all of our new videos. Thanks for watching.